Hello everyone, this is Sean Power, and this is my final presentation for my Business Intelligence Analytics course at Full Sail University with Dr. Samar Rashdi. In the first tech blog article for this week, we have a forecast analysis, and there are two visuals here. The one on the right is a table of home internet sales. In this analysis, we have a table of sales by year for the home internet sales division or product, and we have the independent variable of T-Mobile's cellular network growth in the second column by year. The last row for 2022 is a hypothetical forecast based on a regression analysis. The summary output on the left, the left-hand visual, shows the results of the regression analysis conducted in Excel. The intercept shows that for 0% growth in the cellular network in 2022, T-Mobile can forecast $295 million in home internet sales based on the output from the regression. We have a negative correlation here based on the X variable of negative 50, which also states if there's a 1% growth in 2022, theoretically, there would be a decrease of about $50 million in home internet sales. The second tech article focuses on risk avoidance. Here we have an EMV calculation to summarize the potential for the home internet product from T-Mobile using an expected monetary value. This is based on a probability of the joint probabilities of no growth in home internet, having a 50% probability, and the probability of rapid growth of home internet at 50% as well. Those are two outlooks that T-Mobile can forecast given other factors such as coronavirus and things that impact their trajected growth. The payoff, therefore, is a mix or summation of both of $500 million for a no growth state and $500 million for a rapid growth payoff. The mix of those probabilities would yield about $500 million in expected value should T-Mobile invest in the home internet product. T-Mobile can use this information compared to other budgetary items such as any other capital expenditures that they would invest or R&D that they would invest in other products or services, and they can make a comparable analysis in the expected monetary value of each product and how much they anticipate yielding. In the tech blog example here, I show that this payoff is greater than that of investing in cellular or 5G. The next tech article is related to total quality management, and the visual here, the TQM visual here, has 8 elements. The tech blog goes into more detail, I won't list them here, of 14 points that can be suggested to T-Mobile based on Deming's principles, and this TQM visual here is actually based on the 8 elements that go into quality management for Lean Six Sigma. And so some of those pillars or elements that T-Mobile should focus on include promoting ethics, developing integrity in their training for call center employees, reducing micromanaging of the call center employees, training home internet sales reps to help install those new home internet routers, create goals for teamwork, for working groups, or create goals for the team that are focused on working group performance, Open new positions in the home internet division, recognize those who exceed expectations and live the company values, and create new feedback channels via maybe an employee survey or a company portal. The next article is related to Six Sigma. In this slide here, I have two visuals. The one on the left-hand side is the visual that I'll talk about first. T-Mobile can benefit from Lean Six Sigma by certifying their product managers in the home internet division, as well as other cross-functional groups that interact with the home internet division. These certified managers should have the goal of implementing Six Sigma, which in a nutshell means that they're ensuring that their processes related to home internet installs or whatever other processes might be related to product implementation or rollout have no more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities. And those opportunities in the example I write about in the tech blog are related to those home installs. And the visual on the right here, a theoretical depiction of 6 standard deviations from a theoretical mean of successful installs. This can measure how many total days the customer waits for the install from the moment they order it to when the product is installed by a tech. And we can expect a lower limit of 6 standard deviations from the mean and an upper limit of 6 standard deviations from the mean. These specification limits are what Six Sigma focuses on to ensure close to zero defect. The next tech blog article I talk about is a process analysis. I have in the visual below or on the slide a fishbone diagram, and this focuses on 4 main areas of what can lead to a poor install. Methods, that would be the processes involved in installing, employees, the customer, and the equipment needed for install. And any one of those factors contribute to a poor install. This can give managers throughout the organization a visual aid in creating metrics and other fail-safes surrounding the install process. And the last visual rather that I have here is a list of points that I've made related to the case study assignment. This is cumulative of all 4 weeks of the blog. I'm not going to list them all here, but they can be viewed at bi2.home.blog. And that concludes my presentation. I appreciate everyone watching over the past 4 weeks, and I hope to present for you soon. Thank you.